Over the course of the next several minutes, I'm going to break down how chiropractic impacts every single aspect of human performance and how when you have a spine that's moving and functioning as it needs to, life quality improves. My name is Dr. Jamal Früster, and I'm on a life mission to provide for the exhausted provider so that they can get back to enjoying life, recuperate better, sleep better, and have a regulated nervous system to go impact the lives of those millions of those that they touch. Chiropractors don't treat or cure anything. The only thing that does that is your body. And how it does that is making sure that those cells, those tissues that aren't functioning as they need to can break down, but also recreate new cells. And it does it best when it has an optimal connection to the brain and body, and there's optimal nerve flow. I'm gonna highlight this with this beautiful capital letter N. So first and foremost, we start here. Optimal human performance, so that way people can do, think, feel, and perceive the world from a sustainable space. Their nervous system is well regulated, meaning they're able to match whatever external or internal demands are actually being perceived accurately or interpreted accurately. So that way the energetic demands are appropriate, because every aspect of human performance is influenced by the body's biochemistry. Depending upon the state of the body's biochemistry will directly impact performance, because that's the overall state that the whole unit is functioning in. Glands are what control the body's biochemistry. Depending upon the state and health of the glands, then that will dictate the state of the health of biochemistry, which impacts the performance. The brain is what impacts the glands, and this is important because that's the nervous system itself. The brain and the spinal cord, when they're able to accurately perceive our internal and external environments appropriately and accurately, well, high quality of life is there because you are now in efficient optimization versus just responding or being in a dysregulated state. I'm gonna go deeper in on that. There's bones that protect the nervous system. Why? Probably because it's very important. And that's relevant because the spine and the brain are the only organs in the whole body that is encapsulated completely in bone. See these little yellow things poke out? Yeah, that's actually what I optimize to make sure that there's great nerve flow and these holes stay open as best as they can. And I do that by impacting and moving the bone. However, stress occurs. Physical, mental, emotional, and social. You could also think about it as thoughts, traumas, and toxins are the main thing that will shift the bones and the frame of the human, and this leads what's called to vertebral subluxation. Vertebral subluxation is important and necessary to take care of if you want to live an optimal life, because it is a reflection of how the bones may not be moving and now they're out of place. This impacts the nervous system because now the brain can't accurately perceive what's going on in the body because the message is being distorted to the brain. There's nerve receptors that are all along the spine that are constantly wiring and connecting and making sure that the feedback is appropriate. And when the bones aren't moving as they need to, now there's a distortion. Now the nerves are talking like this versus talking like this, and now the body is not in harmony. This impacts the glandular health. And when the glands are now in a more stressed state, or they're firing in a way where they're just working harder, now that's going to impact the biochemistry. And when the biochemistry of now the whole human is operating in an exhausted state or a dysregulated state, or it's not matching that external stress, and it's working harder, now we're losing, and now we're having an impact on our performance, which is why it's so important now. And the only reason why chiropractors have a job in the first place is so that way we can provide an adjustment. What an adjustment does, it is a gentle push or pull to the system at the appropriate segment that the body is stuck at, and that comes through the analysis through the chiropractor out of the hundreds of different techniques that work, so that way the body can now have the bones, which protect, once more, the most important vital organ system that was created when we were a baby. So that way the bones are now moving, so now the brain can more accurately perceive itself. It's a perception problem, and it's a brain problem. It's not even necessarily a bone problem. That's why we need to utilize these bones, or the foundation of the body, and make sure that the brain can do what it needs to when it needs to do it, because this now impacts the glandular health. When the glands are now responding more sustainably or efficiently because the nervous system is functioning as it needs to, and it's having an accurate perception and feedback loop, This then impacts the biochemistry of the body. When the biochemistry of the body is now in a more relaxed state or in a more harmonious state, a more accurate and efficient state, well, now the performance of the human can now be optimal. What does that look like? I'm so glad that you asked. It can look like sleep as you need, as a lot of people are hovering in a stress state because their body's not able to actually relax because it's still holding on to the thoughts, the traumas, or the toxins. It's not in a regulated space. It can look like anxiety. It can look like low back pain. It can look like migraines. It can look like whatever it may be. The thing is, if people have been operating in what's called a subluxated state, now their whole system has been like that, perhaps even from birth. So that's why it's important for babies, ideally, to get checked, because they're coming in and people are worried about what we do. Listen, if you haven't seen a birth and the amount of force that can be placed on the baby or a vacuum, that causes up to 80 to 100 pounds of pressure on the baby's neck. People worry about what we do. Anyways, it's better to get checked sooner than later. However, it is important to acknowledge there is damage that has been done because there's been a stuck space in the bones, in the body, and in the mind that haven't been working as they need to for an extended period of time, which does cause degeneration. So in conclusion, if there's been some time people have gone through and they're like, oh, I'm not in pain, or I don't need a chiropractor, you're right, you don't need a chiropractor. However, if you want to live optimally and make sure that which controls everything in your life, meaning your brain and spinal cord, are functioning as they need to, well, it's probably ideal that things are moving as they need to. And that's why we like to focus on performance, optimization, and nervous system regulation and accurate perception versus just symptom reduction. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what's so important. If this was valuable for you, like, comment, subscribe. Let's have a conversation in the comment section. Share it with one of your friends and check out one of these videos so that we can get better acquainted with chiropractic and what it can do for you.